What's up, everyone? Welcome back for another video. Using an iPhone as a remote for our smart TVs is one of the best ways to relax on our couches. Selecting videos from our iPhones and casting them to the TV takes the remote control concept to a whole new level. And Chromecast is one of the biggest names in the smart TV industry, but Google doesn't support Apple AirPlay, meaning you might think the connection isn't possible. But it's great that there are apps like YouTube or Netflix that are compatible with Chromecast and can stream content to the TV without any additional solutions. Just navigate to the app you like, select a video, and cast it to your Chromecast device. But what about games or personal media? In this video, we cover mirroring and casting solutions and how to connect iPhone to Chromecast without pulling your hair out. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment about your thoughts on today's video. To kick off our video on how to connect iPhone to Google Chromecast, we have the Docast app. Docast acts as the perfect bridge from Apple to Google devices, letting iPhone users mirror their screens or cast personal content. Using the Docast app is straightforward, starting with the free download. After you launch it for the first time, allow the app to connect to Bluetooth and find devices on your local network. Select the Chromecast device you want to use. Close the pop-up and the screen gives you controls for mirroring your phone. Tapping screen gives you screen mirroring controls, including start and stop mirroring. Docast provides 15 minutes of free screen mirroring with sound before you must upgrade. It's worth it to upgrade to the premium level though. It's affordable, and the yearly and lifetime plans give you a free gift for subscribing. Okay, back to our home screen, and we have the photos, videos, and music options. Selecting either option prompts you to allow access to your camera roll. Then you can select media to broadcast onto the TV. The quality is stellar, and there is no lag when connecting iPhone to Chromecast. And there you have it, the Docast app making things easy. Next up, we have the Streamer for Chromecast app. This app is another popular solution for iPhone users and includes some extra features that might be helpful. Download the Streamer for Chromecast app to get started. Like Docast, you'll want to allow the app to connect to Bluetooth and the local network. Near the top of the screen, you'll see Select Device, and tapping on it shows all available devices. Connect to your preferred Chromecast and close the menu. From this homepage, you can launch the Screen Mirror feature or browse and cast to launch an in-app web video browser. Streamer for Chromecast is handy, but the app feels cluttered, and we're unhappy about having to select a separate window to connect to our devices. It also has a premium subscription option, but it runs $4.99 monthly or $19.99 annually, making it more expensive than Docast. Now that you know how to Chromecast from iPhone, you can enjoy everything from sports and video games to personal content from the comfort of your couch. Although you can make iPhone work with Chromecast in many ways, Docast was our favorite because it doesn't have annoying delays, has a user-friendly interface, and offers a generous free trial with audio. Until the next video, keep casting.